What if everything you see around you isn't real? What if our universe isn't an infinite expanse, but just a complex computer program? This idea sounds like science fiction, but many leading scientists now seriously consider the possibility that we live in a computer simulation. In this video, we'll explore what scientific evidence suggests that reality might be a simulation. Why do the laws of physics behave like computer code? Which famous scientists and billionaires believe in this theory? If we are inside a simulation, who created it and can we hack it? Stay with us until the end because we'll discuss how humanity could uncover the truth. A few decades ago, the simulation hypothesis sounded like pure science fiction, but today many researchers consider it a real possibility. In 2003, philosopher Nick Bostrom proposed 3 possible scenarios for civilization's development. Humanity will go extinct before reaching a high technological level. Highly advanced civilizations don't care about creating simulations. We almost certainly live in a simulation. If even one civilization in history has developed the ability to simulate reality, then the probability that we are in a simulation is close to 99%. But is there actual scientific evidence suggesting that our world might be programmed? Scientists have found strange clues that suggest our universe could be artificial. The universe resembles a pixelated screen. In quantum physics, everything consists of tiny, discrete units like pixels in a video game. Space and time are not continuous, but made of the smallest possible quanta. Even energy is transferred in packets, like digital information. Computer code in the laws of physics. In 2012, physicist James Gates discovered that the equations describing subatomic particles contain computer-like error-correcting codes. How could complex, structured code appear naturally in the fundamental laws of physics? The speed of light might be a limit of the simulation. The speed of light is the maximum possible speed in the universe. In video games, developers limit rendering distance to prevent the system from overloading. Could the speed of light be a processing limit of the simulation? But could quantum mechanics provide even stronger proof that we live in a simulated world? One of the strangest phenomena in quantum physics is quantum entanglement. 2 particles can instantly interact with each other, even if they are on opposite ends of the universe. But how is this possible? What is quantum entanglement? 2 particles can be entangled, meaning that changing the state of one instantly changes the other. Albert Einstein called this spooky action at a distance because it defies traditional physics. Could entanglement be a sign of a simulation? Some scientists propose that this could be a feature of the simulation. If reality is a program, quantum entanglement could be a fast way to update information across different parts of the system. This is similar to how data syncs instantly in a multiplayer video game. Can quantum entanglement prove the simulation hypothesis? If we find patterns in entanglement that behave like an algorithm, this could be the first real clue that we are inside a simulation. Some experiments are already testing whether quantum effects can reveal the code of reality. But if we are in a program, could there be other simulations running at the same time? If our universe is a simulation, does that mean there could be many such worlds? The many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. One theory suggests that every possible event creates a new parallel reality. If you flip a coin, in one world it lands on heads and in another it lands on tails. If this is true, then there could be thousands of simulations, each evolving differently. Can we switch between simulations? If reality is a program, is there a glitch that allows jumping between different versions? Some people report experiencing the Mandela effect, remembering events that supposedly never happened. Could this be evidence of simulation updates or changes? What if the creators of the simulation are changing the code? If we are part of an experiment, then whoever is running it might be modifying reality. What if past glitches in history were actually updates to our simulation? But if we are in a simulation, is there any way to break free from it? If we are inside a simulation, is there any way to detect its limits or even escape it? How could we prove the simulation hypothesis? Scientists suggest looking for coding errors in physical laws, such as unexplained inconsistencies. If our universe is simulated, we should eventually find boundaries or computational limits. Could artificial intelligence discover the truth? Some believe that advanced AI could analyze reality in a way that humans cannot. If we eventually create our own virtual worlds full of sentient beings, our AI might start asking the same questions about its reality. What would happen if we proved the simulation? If we confirm that we are in a simulation, what's next? Does this mean we have no free will? Or, on the contrary, does it give us a way to understand how to break out of the simulation? Some scientists fear that if we get too close to the truth, the creators might shut down the simulation. If our universe is a simulation, does that mean we are not real? Or is this our chance to uncover the ultimate truth? Scientists have already found clues that reality might be digital. Quantum mechanics and physical laws suggest the presence of programming. If a simulation exists, someone must have created it, but for what purpose? Can we find a way to hack reality and escape its boundaries? What do you think? Are we living in a simulation, or is this just another mind-blowing theory? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep space mysteries and mind-bending science.